हमारा मिलना एक इत्तेफाक, और इत्तेफाक से बन गए दोस्त।
लेकिन दुनिया में इत्तेफाक कम ही होते हैं। You see, everything has a plan. And that plan finds its own destination.
और जब मंजिल ही हाँ कर दे, तो नया सफर शुरू करने में देर नहीं करनी चाहिए।
Hi, मेरा नाम है पल्लवी
और मेरा नाम है गौरव।
and you've seen our story in the flashback.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय
और अब वक्त है शुरुआत करने का इस सफर की,
जिसमें हम ढूंढने वाले हैं बेस्ट वेडिंग मेकर्स
to put a dream wedding together.
सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
So, what are we waiting for?
Let's go.
Let's.
और हम निकल पड़े अपने वेडिंग मेकर्स की तलाश में।
Hi Swati, I'm Gaurav.
Hey Gaurav, how are you doing
I'm
today?
doing very well.
Hi, I'm Pallavi.
Hi Pallavi, Samit.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
मैं मिला स्वाति सूद से, जिनकी खासियत है उनकी बारीक नजर।
और सामित गर्ग मशहूर हैं अपने ग्रैंड विजन्स के लिए।
I wonder if how we could incorporate a lot of this into the wedding.
That you got to leave to me. You just said you are a murga, right?
That's
so you
right.
got to leave it to your master chef. Ravi, laptop leke aana. The new hydrangeas from New Zealand, the white ones. This is quite nice. Do we have the Thai umbrellas?
Finally, my turn, Swati. That's Swati suit for you.
वाइन का ग्लास भी गलत है। These are not parallel to each other.
That's Samit Garg for you.
When Pallavi and I decided to get married, Pallavi suggested that I meet with a wedding decor stylist. Wedding design, wedding planning, I had no idea what the difference was.
The wedding planner puts together a plan which entails 20 different items to make that wedding event happen.
एक जो wedding decor stylist होता है, वो right from आपका theme designing to the kind of flowers, to the kind of linen, to the kind of furniture, to the kind of lighting.
The various things to do for a wedding planner start with an invitation, get into the logistics of hospitality and transportation for guests.
Right from the entrance of your venue till the end, वो उन सब में एक balancing act लाते हैं.
Look into the food and beverage and the list goes on.
जब मैं पहली बार सामित से मिली, that was actually the first time I met a wedding planner or manager, and it was quite overwhelming क्योंकि I didn't know where to start. So उन्होंने सबसे पहले मेरे से पूछा location क्या सोची आपने, what is the venue going to be?
The venue to a wedding event, I guess, is of paramount importance because that is what creates the tone right. We were given the Mukesh Mills at Kolaba, an absolutely dilapidated campus. What we created with lighting and embellishments that we added to that venue, लोगों को लगा कि they're in the middle of some ruins in Italy or Greece. Six, 7 years ago, we were interacting with a bride-to-be, and she expressed the desire to kind of get married in the gardens of her house. So we kind of went to the drawing table and came up with this fantastic idea of creating an air-conditioned glass house.
Flowers are, centerpiece of a wedding celebration.
I've noticed that लोगों को लगता है कि शादियाँ सिर्फ फूलों के बारे में होती हैं. How you can be different is instead of just flowers, the red, the pink flowers that you see every day, you can just use very different kind of green foliage, you know. क्योंकि greenery means couple एक नई life शुरू करने जा रहे हैं.
उन्होंने foliage को लेकर एक beautiful सा centerpiece create किया. Wonderful little creation.
डिस्कशन में हम एंटरटेनमेंट पर पहुंचे.
We've customized a lot of entertainment, not necessarily picked up something which is available off the shelf. We've gone about creating a musical for the event, a 60-minute musical which had some 5 or 6 different acts. We created a whole theatre setting for that. For the entertainment evening, we went about creating an underwater party, which was thematically a huge hit because, and we used the projection, the 360-degree immersive technology to create that underwater environment. Entertainment, we've gone to the extent of getting people like Akon, getting people like Pitbull, getting people like Lionel Richie.
उन्होंने मुझे काफ़ी आइडियाज़ दिए जो बहुत एक्साइटिंग और इंटरेस्टिंग थे, जिनको मैंने इन टर्म्स ऑफ अ वेडिंग नहीं सोचा था.
The next day I met Swati at her office. Hi Swati.
Hey Gaurav.
How are you?
Good to see you. Please.
Thank you.
So Gaurav, let's just see what is it that we could put together for the wedding. Let's just brainstorm today.
Pallavi loves collecting items, whether it's silver ornates or antiques, even rocks from all over the place. So she loves creating a little collection of all these items.
Wow. Great. That means वो collector है. उसको काफ़ी knick-knack जो चीज़ें होती हैं, जैसे आपने frame बताया, it could be a console, it could be a mirror frame. Brilliant, because वो शादी की decor में बहुत handy आती हैं ऐसी चीज़ें.
She then showed us various color palettes that existed, how we could creatively use our own likes and our own collections as part of the wedding.
So even I got very happy about that, to know that our wedding won't just be an event or a party, but it will have those emotions जो गौरव और मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल हैं.
तो इस शादी कंपनी ने हमारे उस यादगार दिन की बुनियाद डालनी शुरू कर दी थी.
और फिर थी बारी उन आइडियाज को प्रोसेस करने की.
ऑफ कोर्स हमारी शादी का मूड बोर्ड जो बनना था.
आपका मेन इवेंट के दिन, आपकी शादी के दिन, with time in my hand, it could be magical.
Swati, I don't know if I have enough words to express the beauty of what you've created here. It's got a fantastic romantic feel to it. I only wish Pallavi was here with me to see this. I am definitely going to take the ideas to her.
I got tons of ideas from Samit. How was Swati?
Swati was good.
तो हमने चुना एक आइडिया जो जाने वाला था उस वॉल पे, जो बन गई थी हमारा मूड बोर्ड.
Does the foliage idea go up on the wall?
Honestly, no.
No?
I'm happy with flowers, yeah. Oh, but the personalization has to go up on the wall. That you also love.
Done.
What I was thinking was कि शायद इस पार्ट को हम ले सकते हैं,
I love it.
है ना? That's the point of personalizing. I really want to use this.
तो और आइडियाज जानने के लिए देखते रहिए शादी कंपनी.